what's up guys, Samuel here and welcome to another Scratch tutorial. And in this tutorial you will be learning how to make a racing game. Not like a 3D racing game, but a 2D one. Anyway, I'll show you. So anyway, we're going to be making the game. So let's name it Racer. And first let's draw our car. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm not exactly an artist, so I'm going to do it really quickly. So, yeah, so quickly make your car. I'm going to be making mine red. And my tires. And so we're going to be so this is our car sprite. This is the car that we're going to be controlling, that's going to act like the car that we're driving to beat the other CPUs. But we're not going to be using CPUs, we're going to be doing it a 2-player game. No, not a 2-player game, just a 1-player game. No CPUs though. So I've quickly made our very ugly car. Okay, that's really too ugly. I'm going to have to make it. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, so this is basically going to be our car. And now we have to make a backdrop. So, make a track. I'm just going to be doing a rectangle. Yeah, and let's make it the inside screen, and the road will be, yeah. And oh yeah, and make sure the road is big enough to support your car, otherwise it's going to malfunction. So yeah, so when the flag is clicked, it will go to the starting line. Make sure to make a yellow or whatever color line that marks the starting line. Show, and forever if the up arrow is pressed, make sure to point in direction 90 when it starts, it will move 10 steps and make another one where forever if right or left, and do it rotate. So now but it can go off the track. Why is that? Since we didn't program it to do it, yeah. And make sure it rotates the way you want it to, and make sure it doesn't rotate too fast. Doesn't move too fast either. So anyway. So we have our base engine, and put put an if right here. If it's touching black, it will move the other way. But if it's touching black on left arrow, it will move the other way too. And put a if sensing touching black, change, wait, move -10. So this is what we have. So we won't be able to do it. But we need it to be able to move backwards. Let's do another one. When key down arrow, move -6. 6, you know what? Yeah. So -6. So make sure you check off your coding to make sure you did it correctly. And so yeah, if you think that your inner or whatever outer is too small, just make it larger. Shrink it, and so you have more room. Go. And make another thing. Make a variable. Let's call it laps. When the flag is clicked, set laps to 0, and it'll wait 1 second. And then when it waits 1 second forever, no, 2 seconds. Forever, if it's touching the color yellow, aka the starting line, the finish line, whatever, change laps by 1, and you have to make him wait about 2 seconds again. You know, I'm going to make it 3 seconds. And make another variable if you want. You can only do this if you're a scratcher, so please note that. And do it world laps. And so when the flag is clicked, forever, if the laps is bigger than the world record, set world laps to laps. So now you have to try making him complete a lap. But oh no, it didn't work. Why? Because we need to put this script in Sprite 1. Since this will never be touching anything. And so yeah. Now it should work. So we have 1 lap. So the world laps was 0. So since we broke it, it's now 1. Let's do 3. Let's try to get 3. And so we have 3 right now. We have 3, and no, we have 4 now. And if you reload the page, you'll see since we broke it, it's still 5 since we broke it. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.